So this is my honest review of the SANSI lamp. I just ordered them and they got right. As you can see, this is a very huge lamp. I don't know what these are. It says congratulations and appreciate for your purchase at SANSI. The lamp I got is 5,500 lumens, uses about 40 watts and has a good brightness, which is 5,500 lumens. It's equivalent to 2 traditional fluorescent lights. As you can see, this light is huge. And right now I have 1,000 lumen or something. It also has an adapter and nothing else. And the next step is just plugging it and see how much light this giant lamp has. We'll see in a second. So the lamp is placed in now. What I'm using is a Hector from IKEA. It says a Type A lamp. It works with the E26 because that's what IKEA lamps were installed on. It can tolerate a maximum of 53 watts, which ours is 40 watts, and we're all set. We're going to turn this on. It's going to be very bright, and this is the light that you'll receive from this lamp. To give you a comparison, this is the floor, this is with this lamp, and this is this lamp off, and this is a 1500 lumens lamp, I believe. Which you might think that on the camera the 15 will work, but with this 5500 I'm absolutely satisfied. The lighting is huge and it's perfect. And here is the engineering part of this. So as you can see, with about a 30-degree angle and about a meter above, we are having about 800 logs coming to the desk, which is pretty good. It's more than enough. The minimum normally for detailed task is 500. So the lamp is doing a great job in my opinion. I can quickly turn on the other one as well. So with the other one turned on, it's about 1,000. As you can see, about 800 is coming from the new lamp from SANSI. The regular lamp in the room is 40 lux, about 40 lux. The other one is about 250, and the SANSI lamp is about 840. So that's absolutely a recommendation. And if you're looking to buy this, now you have an idea of how or what you'll be expecting.